What's percolating YouTube? It's your boy Baffle Superstar, and today is this very special video. It's so first for me on this channel. We picking up the new Yeezy Statics today. It's the first time I ever won a raffle for a pair of Yeezys. This will be my first pair of Yeezys, and I don't know how to feel. The first raffle I entered on Finish Line app too, so I got a friend that works at Finish Line now, so and he said that he seen my name. He said I got the only size 13, so I don't know if I'm blessed or lucky, but we're just gonna go with blessed. So yeah, and I think he said they got like an extra size 5, so if they still got that, I'll be picking that up for my girl too. So yeah, we potentially is getting 2 pairs of Yeezys today. Picking up Yeezys on release day. 2019 is gonna be a great year, y'all. So first I gotta go to the DMV. Also gotta go to the post office. I got until 12 to pick up my shoes, so this dang light. I got until 12 to pick up my shoes, so I might go to the post office after, cause I gotta get a PO box for my clothing line. You know what I mean? So I can use that as my business address. And then, so yeah, DMV, Finish Line, post office, and then back home. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, leave that thumbs down. A like is a like. Comment down below if you were successful. I tried to get the reflectives yesterday. That was a no-go. So yeah, that was wasted like 2.5 hours. And the price on them, they just dropped. Like the morning of the release, they was still in the thousands, and as got closer and closer, I think now they in like the 600s. I seen some, before they dropped, like the morning I went on there and someone had sold a pair for $550. Someone had sold a pair for $550. I was like, why is you selling these for $550 when the last sale was like 9 something or 1,000? And then, so whoever bought that, I mean, seeing how prices are going now, they kind of got a steal. But yeah, but now they in like the 600s, so we'll see how they do. Let me stop talking y'all head off, and let's get to this DMV so I can get up out of here, head to the mall, pick up my Yeezys, cuz. Yes, sir. Oh, subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend, tell another friend, and tell another friend to share the video, because we on the road to 1K. All right. Yeah, so that DMV shit is taking too long. So I'm just gonna do this shit online. Hope I don't get pulled over. So we're finna head to the mall right now. Hopefully they didn't backdoor my damn pair and I can still get mine. You know what I mean? Cause yeah, it's 11:12. I mean, the mall, it ain't too far away, but let me make this light. Oh, the mall ain't too far away, so I should be straight. So yeah, I'll see y'all whenever I get inside the mall.
Hail to the witness, jail is a business, bail is a business.
Work.
Death is a business, stress is a business, that's how the business.
Work.
And I need 100K, I need it underlay, I need a phantom to push on the summer day. Baltimore City with niggas is unafraid, I need to get it and never be underpaid. Don't want me have it, then we need to run a fade. Need God to answer the shit that my mama pray. I do this for my hood.
Just got to the mall. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so this is my first time doing this, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Just hope it goes smooth, cause niggas ain't got time for this. I took the whole day off of work. I used my vacation time. I could have saved that for my birthday, so they better not be playing around with me. I'll see y'all inside. Hello.
Picking up shoes?
Mm-hmm.
What size?
13.
What's the name?
Sterling.
I think all the forces you have over there.
Sterling? 13, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else for you? Shoe pair, man. We got the Jason Mars.
No, I'm fine.
$235 for you. And it's gonna ask if you want to donate anything to our Special Olympics. Thank you for your donation.
No problem.
Wish I had the bell. Ring, 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 ring. There we go. My invitation bell. No, seriously though, thank you for your donation.
You're welcome.
People don't really give back anymore.
Size 13. This is my first pair of Yeezys, y'all. So this is a monumental day for me. Y'all leaking? No, I'm playing. Somebody try these shits on? Oh no, fam. Who the hell? Can y'all see that? Those brown marks? I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but I don't know. Like I hope they ain't too big. Cause like I said, I tried on a size 12, and it was a little too small. So hopefully these fit. Yeah, I got them. My first pair of Yeezy Statics. I'll do a review on these in an on foot whenever I get home and upload that bitch. Should I upload 2 videos in a day, or should I just do it tomorrow? Or should I just add it into this? I mean, y'all have seen shoes before. I'll just do like an on foot whenever I get home. I gotta see the 3M on the shoelace. Oh, I kinda see that bit now. I wish the whole shoe was 3M, but I ain't complaining. It feels good to be a proud Yeezy owner. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just waiting until 12 to go back in and see if they have a size 5 for my girl. So yeah, I might turn the camera back on after I get in there. We'll see. Oh, it's raining. Oh no, fam. Oh no. What the fuck? Oh no. So I might not be able to take the camera back inside. It just started pouring down rain out of nowhere. Like, what? Alright, it seems like it stopped raining for like a little bit. So I'm finna head back inside before it starts to pour down rain again. So yeah, wish me luck. Alright, so I was successful with getting this thing 5. I see size 5. Let's see. This shit small. Who the hell tried on these 2? Should I look at? No, I'm just playing. So yeah. I guess today was a successful day. Now, what else I gotta do today? I'm gonna go and pay for my tag online. I gotta go to the post office and and get that PO box, and then go get my business license. And today will be a successful day. It's crazy. I had 9 days off work and I ain't do much or nothing. So back to work tomorrow. For 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then I'm off for 3 days. So hopefully by then, hot drop as a payment methods, and I could drop a hot drop video for the new year. If not, I might just do a mystery brand unboxing. So yeah, I'll see y'all whenever I get back to the crib. Yeah, so back home now. I'm not gonna do it on feet, so I'm just gonna edit this video and get it out to y'all as soon as possible. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Dislike the video, leave a thumbs down. Comment down below if you were successful today. It still has some more pairs after I went back in and I got that second size. So I mean, if you wanted them, you should have been able to get them. And earlier, I know they ain't sell out Adidas and all the other places until like after an hour or 2. So subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to share the video, because we on the road to 1K. It's your boy Beth Superstar signing out. Y'all be breezy. Alright.
No sleeping on a giant cause I'm woke now. Hating on the love, use a whole clown. Bitch, when I was down, I never broke down. 410, I rep the whole town. Plus it's about to go down, cause I'm a full-time